Westford helped me a lot with embracing myself and being myself, as well as becoming the person who I am today. I started my bachelor's with Westford and continued, and I pursued my master's with them. Hi everyone, my name is Thuraiya and I'm a mom and entrepreneur. I work in a technological sector and I have pursued my MBA from Westford. I remember during my last modules, it was really difficult for me to focus. I had my last module going on and I was extremely sick. I was on the bed and I didn't know what to do. But I pushed through and I worked hard and I made sure that I'm able to complete my assignments on time so that I can get my degree. But this was not only about getting a degree, it was about gaining confidence, about having motivation to finish, pursuing my MBA on time. To the amazing faculty and to the friendships that I've made along the way, it has all been worth it. Although I have faced a lot of challenges, reaching this milestone has been very meaningful.
The Valedictorian of the MBA International program is Thuraiya Omar.
And yet, here we are, standing together, having conquered every challenge thrown our way. Our time at Westford University College has been more than an academic experience. It has been a journey of raw resilience and transformation.
And finally, the journey has come to an end. I'm really thankful for Westford for making this happen, and I'm truly honored and to be the valedictorian.